reactivate it. Stay tuned to find out the steps you need to take to get your account up and running again. Let's get started. First, open your email and carefully read the message regarding the cancellation. Make sure you understand the details mentioned in it. This will help you gather all the necessary information before proceeding with the account reactivation process. Once you have familiarized yourself with the email, you will be ready to take the next step. Reactivation process is free and it takes few steps. When you cancel your account, all your active ads stop showing. Keep in mind, if your Google Ads account hasn't spent in more than 15 months, it will automatically be considered as inactive and will be cancelled.